Today is Saturday, November 22nd, and we're on the move again. We are headed to Watertown, Tennessee. It's a little town, I assume, outside of Nashville. So we're somewhere in Mississippi right now, cruising along. We left yesterday and we drove to Slidell, Louisiana. And then hopefully, we should be there at 3 o'clock today. It's 8:30. We're picking up a new project, hopefully, maybe, for the channel. I saw this car on Facebook, which I don't have Facebook, but on the computer I can browse Facebook Marketplace. But if I try and browse it on my phone, I get kicked off. I don't know why. But it's a 63 hardtop, two-door hardtop. And it's a complete project. It's in pieces, which is how I like them. But a lot of the metal work has been done. So it's kind of from the pictures. So I talked to the guy, and I don't know if he's very savvy with like sending pictures and videos and stuff. Not really, huh?
I don't think so.
Because I asked for video, and man, the videos are like, I mean, they're okay, but he doesn't do that, you know what I mean? So no fault of his, he just doesn't do that type of stuff. So kind of taking a gamble and driving out here. It's like 13 hours. You can go different routes. The route we took was 13 hours.
Yeah.
To avoid going through downtown Houston and rush hour traffic. So I'm kind of taking a gamble, but he sounds like a real respectful guy, polite, and doesn't seem like a bullshitter.
Yeah.
So the car, according to him, is basically kind of like how Bobby. Oh, he watches the channel too.
Oh, he does?
Well, he says he didn't say he watches it. He says he's seen some of the videos. So I don't think he's a every weekend watcher, you know. But so the car is basically like all the work that's been done to Bobby's car has already been done to this car.
Yeah.
Floors, quarters, filler panel, rear deck, rockers, like I said, repop doors, repop trunk.
Pretty much all the metal work.
Fenders, 2 pairs of fenders, I believe he says he has. No hood, which is same with Bobby. He didn't have a hood.
Yeah. Project.
And it's complete with everything except door panels. So actual door. He has the rear. So kind of taking a gamble and going out here, without seeing really good pictures and stuff. But from what I've seen, it's something I can work with. It's in the budget for sure. And it has a title. That's huge.
Yep.
Man, to get a title, like it used to be like $300, now it's like triple that. So he has a title. He has all the glass, bumpers, wheel wells, radiator support, front the seats, steering wheel, but it's gonna need the full it's gonna be needed taken back off the frame and buttoned up, and full interior, full paint, trim, bumpers, all that.
Everything.
So a full-blown project again. Just can't get enough of it.
Apparently you like to be tortured.
I need a name for the car. I don't know.
What do y'all think?
I had an idea earlier this morning. Since the 60 is the rematch, and since this car is a 63, I was going to call it Best of 3.
Oh, that's cool.
Maybe. I don't want to get ahead of myself because I ain't bought the car yet. But we're going with the intentions to buy the car. If the car is what he says it is, I'm going to buy it. If I get there and the metalwork is wonky, where I'm not going to buy it. I'm not expecting perfect metalwork. I am expecting some stuff that can be addressed in a weekend or two. You know, maybe some little gap adjustments, finish up welding some areas or something. But I'm not expecting something that, you know, is wonky. So, I mean, the guy said he spent 10 grand on metalwork, and I believe it. If you pay somebody, I believe that totally. To the extent that it's done like Bobby's car, I believe that totally. So, could be a bargain on my part. I've had a 63 hardtop that's coming up on the way back Wednesday.
Yep.
After the 62 here. So I've done one. Frame off. It had a small block. Well, actually it had 283 Power Glide. This one, I don't know what direction we're going to go. What do you think?
You're probably going to upgrade.
I don't anticipate building the car to keep.
Right.
It's going to be built to sell. I just don't know how yet. I would like to engage the channel some more, engage the audience in the build, and see where it goes. You know, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. When I'm done with it, I don't think it's going to be a problem selling it, but I just want to, I don't know, I want to try some different stuff.
Try some different brands.
Try some different products. I want to try a different steering column versus the I Did It. You guys watch the channel? We always do I Did It, you know, every car. Maybe try something different on that. Maybe try something different on the wiring instead of the American Auto Wire 5100063. Instead of doing that, do something else. I am gonna do LS swap. Not gonna put hydraulics. Not gonna put airbags. Not gonna put 13s.
Trying to make it a little more stocky.
A little more stocky with an upgraded drivetrain that can go either direction for the person who buys it.
Yeah.
Can do a lowrider. I want to do a Ford 9, a narrowed Ford 9. So we can do a lowrider with the skirts, or you can put some bigger wheels in the back, put airbags, if that's, you know. We're going to see. I'm going to try something different. I mean, the main thing is, you know, get the car first. But so far, man, the ride up here has been a breeze, man.
Smooth.
Like the pulling this trailer empty is cakewalk, man. I mean, I had a guy message me actually yesterday about the trailer. What brand is it, or
what'd he say?
He said he really liked the flip up door.
Yeah.
I was like, man, that's
I don't think a lot of people consider that. Like, that's a really handy thing to have when you're trying to get in and out of the car, getting it loaded. That's awesome. Then you don't have to climb over the whole car to get out.
Scratching the car with your belt buckle or shirt or whatever. Yeah, trying to squeeze between the wall.
There's no way you could fit.
Not me.
Yeah.
Maybe Bobby.
Yeah, maybe. But I don't even know if I could fit.
Yeah, it's just tight. It's just not fun.
There's not enough room.
It's not fun.
That door definitely comes in handy. Like, that's a good thing.
So, I mean, I'm going, 77 miles an hour right now, empty. I've hit, 80.
And you don't even feel it.
Super light. Anyways, so 63, two-door hardtop. If it is what it is, and I mean, I reached out to a guy on YouTube. He didn't respond. Maybe he didn't see it. I was looking for somebody who can go and look at this car with, like, who knows how to take pictures or knows how to do a video. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Pay them $100 or whatever for their time and send me the video or whatever. But the guy didn't respond in time. But honestly, man, at the price point we're getting this, as long as it ain't slapped together, I'm gonna buy it. I mean, like I said,
I mean, from the pictures we've seen, it looks pretty solid.
It's it definitely don't have rust. It's definitely all the rust has been repaired.
Some surface stuff, but that's normal.
With, trunk alignment, door alignment to rocker, stuff like that. The stuff that we had to deal with Bobby's car.
Yeah.
If it's not something that can't be fixed in a weekend or two, I'm gonna buy a car. So got my little money right here.
Got the goods.
So I guess we'll bring you guys back, man. Maybe when we're loading this up or looking at it, we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see. Y'all stay tuned. Ready?
Please do.
All right, it's Sunday morning, 7:50. We got about 8.5 hours today, and we're home. We bought the car.
Yay.
Yep. So we got new content coming for the channel. Man, it was a job getting that thing loaded, man. The guy's driveway gate was like 6 inches wider than my trailer, and we had to back it in at night.
Yeah.
But we were able to get it on. It needs to come off the frame, and it needs the frame needs to be gone through and
redone,
and it just start from scratch. But it's a solid car.
Yeah, the car looks really good.
It just needs a little bit of finish work on the metal work, a day or two, a weekend. Bobby with the welder, and it's gonna be all right. So I bought it. Glad I bought it. The guy was a pretty cool dude. It's complete. It's in pieces. Yeah, in pieces.
Literally.
It's got a title and it's got a VIN, so we're good to go. I told the guy about the channel, told him to stay tuned with it. We're gonna start working on it. Probably not till after New Year's, really. Or I got some other things lined up here the next few months, couple months. So it's probably gonna be maybe
March.
February. I'm just gonna store it for now. So you guys got to stay tuned for the new project for the channel, man.